So the spices that she's put on top, that is so delicious. Good morning, good morning. We're back at Seomun Market, and today we're on a bit of a mission to find Napjak Mandu. After the Korean War in this early 1950s, there was a shortage of meat, and the creative people here in Daegu came up with the idea of making a dumpling with almost nothing inside it. So it's a flat mandu, or Napjak Mandu. Its flavours come from frying it and getting a lovely caramelised surface on the dumpling. Anyway, we've got to try and find Napjak Mandu here in Seomun Market. I found a new Hotteok lady in the Seomun Market. This lady over here, look, have a look. Beautiful. I like Hotteok. And she's cut. She took the scissors and cut to let the heat out. And she also warned me they're going to be hot. And they are hot, but delicious. Thank you. 감사합니다. Thank you. So I should order from here. So I'm super stoked because we actually found a place that's doing the Napjak Mandu, and we were queuing at the wrong place. I mean,
yeah, it was Napjak Mandu.
Okay, and this is Napjak Mandu.
Yeah, Napjak Mandu.
Okay, so we were so close. There was a delicious mandu down here. It looked really good though.
Yeah, it was nice too.
I should try that one tomorrow maybe, yeah? Okay.
That's a nice idea.
We're going to get the Napjak today though. Thank you very much.
No worries.
감사합니다. Thank you. Have a lovely day.
Enjoy the travel.
Yeah, thank you. Bye-bye. There was a beautiful mandu, a different one, slightly plumper, and it was a triangular shape. It's called a triangular mandu. Wasn't the right one. This lady's doing the original, authentic Napjak Mandu. So I've ordered myself a plate. She said, do you want it spicy? I said, of course. Right, let's just wait. So some creative person came up with the idea of making a dumpling with very little filling inside it. It just has, what's inside it, Michelle?
Glass noodles, vegetables.
And you fry it to get a nice caramelized outside, and then it's served with a sort of spicy sauce, soy sauce, garlic, and raw onions. Thank you. 감사합니다. Look at that. Just put the chilies on top, little onion, Napjak Mandu. Oh look, it's got a lovely crispy surface on it, and it's got some chili. Let me just get that top one there. I'm going to fold it in half. My first Napjak Mandu. Oh wow. Well, that's delicious. I haven't asked what the price is yet. That is so delicious. So the spices that she's put on top, they're hot, but they're not too hot. A little bit sweet, actually, with those lovely onions. Let me just put a little bit of this sauce on top. So we've got some sauce on there now. Wants to slide all over the plate. That is so good. You might think a dumpling that's got nothing inside it would have no flavour, but the dumpling itself is rich and sort of meaty. So delicious. If you're coming to Seomun Market, you have to come and try the Napjak Mandu. This is really good, really good. The girls just came back, and I had to thank them. They found us a really good place. Oh, that was so delicious. But now I need something sweet. It's either a Hotteok, or just up here I saw a Bingsu store. That's like a shaved milk with mango and all sorts of sweet toppings. So come on, let's go and get a Bingsu.
자기야, 나 베이스 꺼내야 되는데. 국제적으로 이제. 와, 이거 개인 블로거. 됐어요.
팥빙수 있어요. 팥빙수 있어요.
네 분요. 네 분. 저 앞에 자리
이거 개인 블로거. 됐어요.
팥빙수 있어요. 팥빙수 있어요.
So we decided to come in and have a bingsu, a nice cool down in the market. Thank you. Oh, beautiful.
나요. 우유 야미.
Okay. So you pour the milk.
네.
That looks gorgeous. 감사합니다. Thank you. We're not sure what this one is, are we? It just looked really pretty on the picture. We know what this one is, because this is mango. Bingsu is a sort of milk, shaved milk, almost like an ice cream. And she's also given me a little jug here of milk. So I think once you've got down a little bit, you can pour the milk over the top. I mean, I could probably pour. So I'll just pour a little milk on there, but I don't think I can put much on there because it'll overflow. Right, I've made it all milky now. Let's get some of that. Look at that. So shaved milk, sweet mango. Oh, you know I love mango. Well, that's absolutely delicious. We're going for a little bit more of that shaved milk. Oh, that's so good. So sweet. So the second bingsu we got here, I just don't know. It looks like almost like a crumble. Almost like a bingsu cobbler. Let's get a little try of this, get some bingsu in there as well. Do you think it's nuts? Whatever way, this is a surprise. It's drying my lips out. It's really dry, like peanut butter. Or like peanut butter powder. It's hard to get off the spoon. I think it's a soya powder, like a soy powder with some little croutons and some cornflakes. Yum. That's really good. Oh, it's like a sweet jelly in there, almost like a gummy bear. Well, that's delicious. I don't know what this one is. I'll put a photograph up so you guys can tell me what I've got in here. Definitely some soya powder, and there's some little gummy bears in there as well. Yum. So the milk almost goes like a powder. So that's it, another successful trip to Seomun Market. We're going to head home now. Honestly, there is so much food in this market. You just look. If you're in Daegu, South Korea, get yourself down here. Be adventurous. We've done 2 videos now from Seomun Market, and we could easily do many more. So get down, be adventurous, explore. I will see you in the next video. Take care. So today's mission is to compare gimbap from a restaurant to gimbap from a convenience store, because we've eaten a lot, Michelle, of gimbap, a lot of gimbap since we've been in Korea,